Welcome back. Okay, so I finished this water dispenser. It is currently drying. And so I never figured out what this other black wire was. And I just left it off. I don't think it'll be that big of a deal anyway. Pardon me. So, the first thing you do is you assemble, you have this A21 and you take this 15 by 15 piece. It's sticky, so you just place it in the center, cut these corners, fold it up. Then you glue these three. This piece is thicker for the bottom, and then this is two of them stacked. And you wrap the longer piece here all the way around. Yeah, okay, I am centered. All the way around, and then you snip the sides and bend it in. This is the back end of the tweezers that it comes with. So, then you put the pieces on the top and the bottom. These are pieces of paper. You cut them and then fold them, and I glued them. One goes on top of this water jug part. That's where that little small square goes. You bend up a little wire for the jug to be glued in the center of. Each of the pieces of paper go on. This is like, there's a big square piece. This piece here just got glued in at an angle. And then the other two go on those sides and then the one in the center. And then you glue that up on top. So here we are. And oh, this is a little spout. This was of the two different little grommet-y, I guess they're grommets. I'll show it to you in a sec. It's the smaller of the two. Pretty cute. Okay, that's drying. Let me see. Yes, okay. So in the bag 5, I had put these on safety pins. So there's two different sizes and you use the smaller of the two for that. So that was the water dispenser. It's pretty cute. Okay, so now let's pull the parts for the coffee mill. So A8 and 9 are not on here. Some of these, what do I need from this? D5, D6, and D3. So there's D3, there's D6, and there's D5. This one, right? Yeah, D6. Ooh, don't lose this little guy. And D3. Yes. It's kind of amazing the way these are made. Where is my pencil? Here we go. I wonder if I should not. Yeah, these don't get covered with anything. I'll just use the other side for that one. Okay, so that's those. That's that. A8 and A9. I think think that means they're in bag 3. It's a bag, right? There's a bag 2 and a bag 4, and a bag 5 and a bag 6. Oh, here's 3. Duh. I moved it. So it's the small pieces left in this. 4 pieces. Sorry, my chair is very squeaky. 2 of different sizes. Put all that back in there. And brown paper from bag 1. When it says bag 1, I think it means the papers. Because that's where that piece of the Simon's Coffee sign was that said brown paper. Brown paper. 5 pieces, bag number 1. I don't know what it's referring to. Oh, you know what? That's what that is. They're saying brown paper. It's that thing. Okay, never mind. Big copper bead from bag 6. Now, when they said big copper bead, so when I did the chairs, let me refer back to that because maybe that'll answer what big copper bead is. When I did these chairs, small copper bead, 2 pieces, bag 6. And what that ended up being, if you can see here, it's actually wood. So when they say big copper bead, where's it gonna go? Small gold bead, big copper bead, gold receptacle, brown wire. Okay. So I think this is it here. Oh wait, there's a bead there. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna bet it's one of these guys. Which is, I don't know. I thought it was wood. Maybe it's not. It's kind of copper looking. There's 2 of them, but they look about the same size. Okay, gold receptacle, is that from here too? Small gold bead, that's also from this, what bag am I in? 6, small gold bead, 2 pieces. 1, 2. Gold receptacle, 10 millimeter from bag 6, so also in here. Is it this? I think it is. Yeah. And brown wire from bag 4. Lego. And how much of this brown wire do I need? 40 millimeters. And this stuff. Where's the white pen? Oh, I can just crimp it. That's not the right tweezers. Okay. Get this nice and straight. 40. Okay, and then I'll put this back before I lose it. Okay, so let's check out the method here. So these guys, with those in between, and then it looks like I'm taking the big one with the small one. So like stacking those up and gluing them together. That's what it looks like to me. And it becomes the bottom and the top. And this little piece on the side. And I'm going to bend the wire like so and feed it up through with the other bead, and then crimp, 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 put one of the small gold beads on and glue it, and then the other one is a drawer handle. Cool. Okay, so I will be doing that and I will come back and show you my results. Thanks for watching.